Hello guys, welcome back. Here, I have a SONY Xperia M5, and let me show you how to enter recovery mode on this phone. At the very beginning, hold down the power key for a few seconds, then choose power off and wait until your phone is completely switched off. Afterwards, you have to use the following combination of keys, power key, and volume down. Let's hold down these two keys together for a few seconds. Keep holding both of them, and release all keys as soon as the SONY logo appears in front of you. As you can see, System Recovery just pops up. You can navigate here by using both volume keys. If you would like to quit this mode, you can choose either power down or continue to power up. In my case, let me choose continue to power up, so navigate to the appropriate option and press the power key to choose it. Now the device is powering up. Excellent. Now the phone goes into normal mode, and you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.